Hey, Dustin with Dream Fab Customs here. Just showing off another truck that we built for the shop. I got a customer in LA that wants to buy it. We're going to transport it to them. Want to get a video up. We haven't got much footage on it since we built the truck. We've been driving it for about 7 months now. Had it at 4 car shows. It's got a lot of attention. 73 F250 4x4. Got rid of the 390 and did a 460 upgrade. Patina finish. It's got 7 or 8 coats of clear on it. Everything's sanded and treated before we did the patina finish. All the paint's original. All black trim. Finished all the black trim and gloss. It's got 37 1250 tires on it. 20-inch BMF wheels. 6-inch Skyjacker lift kit. It's got Dana 44 front axle, high pinion front axle in it. Crossover steering conversion. Updated steering box. All the updated steering on it. So we'll do a quick walk around on the truck and show around it a little bit. Got full set of long tube headers on it. Exhaust all the way out the back. We did a spray-in bed liner. It's gloss black. It's a little dirty right now. It's been raining here. As always, Dream Fab Customs hooks it up with a Phytech fuel injection. We got MSD everything, factory harness in the truck. The wiring is in real good shape, so we kept that. Everything under the hood is brand new. Gloss black paint, engine bay. It was 3M undercoating. Aluminum radiator, flex fan. We got tall valve covers if somebody wanted to upgrade to some roller rockers, but it's got a mild cam in it. Factory power steering pump. We did not upgrade that to the Saginaw. No air conditioner. That was plans of the future, but we haven't got that far. Show off the interior. Here's the handheld for the Phytech. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Got a set of glass packs on it. It's not super loud. Got some LED lights on the outside. 2 open toggle switches with power to them. Out real nice. We got custom lights here, built by Dream Fab Customs. They are, I'll turn them on in a minute. They're blacked out background, same as the third brake light that we converted, and same as the tail lights. They're all LED. The front marker lights are driving lights and double as turn signals. These tail lights we built, they're a gloss black background, dual LED bulbs, no more reverse light, gives a little more aesthetics to it. LED license plate lights. Got the third brake light up there like I was talking about. That's converted to a brake light, not a cab light anymore. We got blue LEDs underneath the bed rails to match the rest of the truck. This truck's for sale for $23,000, and it looks like it's sold. I'm just doing a video to get it on YouTube before the customer receives it. Dustin with Dream Fab Customs. We'll have some more videos down the road. Thank you.